Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make the yummy Hong Kong style pineapple bun. Incorporating Japanese style Utane dough. Let's look at the ingredients. You may also click descriptions for a complete list of ingredients and procedures. 喺注釋裏面有中文食譜。Prepare the Utane dough by boil water up to 70 degrees Celsius, then add 36 grams of flour, stir and mix well. Wrap the dough with plastic and let it cool down. Prepare ingredient for the crust. The baker ammonia will make the crust crunchier. It has to be dissolved in water first before adding to other ingredients, otherwise the smell is pretty strong. So mix sugar, flour and baking soda first, then add the ammonia water. Mix well, then add the egg yolk. Add butter and mix using a pastry cutter or a fork until the mixture becomes crumbly. Then add milk, just enough to form a dough. Wrap the dough and refrigerate to harden it. Let's prepare the ingredients for the dough of bread now. The Utane dough should be cooled down to room temperature. It's more convenient to use a blender to mix everything. So mix milk with 25 grams of sugar and the yeast first. Let it rise for a couple minutes. Add the Utane dough, eggs, and powdered milk, and 100 grams of flour. Mix it well. Add 55 grams of sugar, salt, and 200 grams of flour, then mix it well. Add shortening and butter and the rest of the flour. Mix it well, then start to knead the dough. You may knead the dough by hand, KitchenAid, bread machine, or I'm using Thermomix here, until the dough becomes smooth and form into a ball. Brush a container with oil, place the dough inside. Cover the dough with a plastic or a damp towel. Let it rise inside fridge for overnight or inside a warm oven until the dough becomes twice as big. Remove dough and gently press to release air. Knead into a ball and cover with a damp towel. Let it stand for 10 minutes. Divide the dough into 16 portions. Each portion is about 70 grams. Cover the doughs with plastic. Let them stand for 10 minutes. Roll each portion into a ball, then press into a thin disc. Fold the edges and form into a ball. Place the dough on a baking sheet and cover with plastic. Let the dough rise for 40 minutes inside a warm oven. Remove the crust from fridge and divide it into 16 portions, each about 30 grams. Roll each portion into a small ball. Sandwich each portion with plastics and use a rolling pin to flatten into a thin disc. Remove the dough from the oven and preheat oven to 425 Fahrenheit. Spray water onto the dough. Then place one crust onto each ball. Beat one egg and brush onto the crust. Let it dry for a few minutes. Brush another layer of eggs on. Convection bake at 400 Fahrenheit for 7 minutes. Then 350 Fahrenheit for another 7 minutes. The fluffy pineapple bread with crispy crust is ready to serve. Enjoy!